Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir walatu assir wa tamim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. This is the D3 updated 7th edition, and today we will do review exercise 11 and question number 4 to 6. Let's start, students. Now, students, question number 4, construct a parallelogram ABCD such that AB is 8 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, and angle B is 120 degree. First, we have to construct the parallelogram. AB is 8 centimeter. I am drawing the line of AB 8 centimeter using the ruler. AB 8 centimeter and BC is 5.5 centimeter. First, making the angle of 90 at point B. Now, students, I am mark the angle of 120 at point B. This is the angle of 120. Now, this is the angle of 120, and now I am mark the line of BC, which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. For this, I am open the compass of 5.5 centimeter. You can see this is the 5.5 centimeter. Taking the B as center and mark at point C. This is the point C. Now, students, you know that this is the parallelogram and the lengths are equal. So I am drawing the, and now open the compass of 8 centimeter. Then place it at point C and mark that point D. This is the point D. Now join this point. This is our required parallelogram. And this line is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Ready. Now in part number 1, measure and write down the length of the diagonal BD. Now I am measuring and write down the length of this diagonal. This is the diagonal BD. First I am drawing that line. Then I am measuring it. And this is equal to 7.1 centimeter. Yes. Part number 1, BD is equal to 7.1 centimeter. Now, students, part number 2, construct the perpendicular bisector of BD such that it cuts AB and CD. And measure and write down the ST such that S and T are the point where the perpendicular bisector of BD cuts AB and CD. First, I am drawing the perpendicular bisector of BD. Open the compass more than half. Then mark that point and this point. Place it at point D. Then mark that points. Now, this is the perpendicular bisector of length of line BD. Yes, where its S and T are the points where the perpendicular bisector of BD cuts AB. Where it cuts AB, this is the point S. And where it cuts DC, this is the point T. And now we have to measure the line ST. This point where it cuts the line, this points where it cuts the line. It is given in the part number 2 that we have to give that line that names. Now we have to measure the ST. ST is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Yes, students, part number 2, ST is equal to 6.5 centimeter. And now, students, the question number 4 is solved. Now, students, I am writing the construction steps. Construction steps are very easy. What you have to done, you have to write in your own words. First, using the ruler, draw the line AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Point 2, using the protractor, mark the angle of 120 degree at point B. Now open the compass 3.5 centimeter and take B as center and draw an arc which cuts the line at point C. Take A as center and draw an arc of radius 3.5 centimeter. Now at point number 5, uh, open the compass of 8 centimeter and take C as center and it's it cuts the arc. It cuts the first arc at point D. Now join D with C and A. And now ABCD is the required parallelogram. These all steps I have done to make the parallelogram and I have to write in my own words. And now these are the points. What you have to done, you have to write in your own words. These are called the construction steps. Now students, question number 5, construct the quadrilateral PQRS such that PQ is 8 centimeter, PQR is 2 centimeter, PS is 6 centimeter, and angle Q is 90 degree and angle P is 60 degree. First I am drawing the line of PQ, which is 8 centimeter. Using the ruler, I am draw the line of 8 centimeter PQ. This is 8 centimeter and PQ is 8 centimeter, and at point Q mark the angle of 90 degree, and at point P mark the angle of 60. Now extend this point, make this angle and degree. Now we have QR is 2 centimeter and PQ is 8 centimeter. Now I am open the compass of 2 centimeter This is 2 centimeter and mark the point R. And now students, this is a 6 centimeter and this is the S. Now join R with S, and this is the required quadrilateral. And now this is our required quadrilateral PQRS. Now in part number 1, measure and write down the QRS. We have to measure that angle. Using the protractor, I am measuring this angle, and this is equal to 123 degree. Part number 1, required angle, which is QRS, is equal to 123 degree. Now students, part number 2, construct a line parallel to PR that passes through S to meet QR produced at U. Measure and write down the length of QU. Now we have to draw a line parallel to PR. This is the line. We have to draw the line parallel to, this is the line PR, and I am drawing the line parallel to PR which passes through that point. First draw the line of PR, and the line is parallel to this line. Yes. And it cuts at point U. This is the point U. And we have to measure and write down the length of QU. Now students, this is the QU, and this QU is equal to 6.6 centimeter. So we write there in part number 2, the QU length is equal to 6.6 centimeter. And now students, the question number 5 is solved. Now students, question number 6, this is the last question, and in this question we have to construct a circle with diameter AC 10 centimeter. And in point number 1, we have to find and label a point B on the circumference of a circle such that AB is equal to BC. We have to first draw a circle whose diameter is AC 10 centimeter. Then we have to find the point B on the circumference of the circle, and AB and BC are equal. Now students, draw the line of radius 10 centimeter, diameter 10 centimeter. Yes, this is 10 centimeter. This is the diameter of a circle. First we have to draw it, and it is AC. AC 10 centimeter. And first we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this to find the midpoint. Now students, place the compass at that point, and now I am drawing the circle of radius 10 centimeter. Now students, this is the point B. This point is equidistant from point A and B, and we can see that the AB is equal to AC, and this is the point B. We have to find and mark in part number 1. Now students, part number 2, find and label the point D on the circumference of a circle such that it lies on the side of the AC opposite to B, and angle ACAD is equal to 45 degree. Now we have to find the point D which is opposite to the B, and obviously this point is that this is the point D, and it is given to us that the CAD is equal to 45 degree. Now students, we have to mark the angle of 45 there, and this is equal to 45. You can see this is equal to 45. Now we have to join it, and this is, we have also joined this point. In part number C, now students, in part number 3, join the point to form a quadrilateral ABCD. State the name of this quadrilateral. I join this point. I join the A, B, C and D, and now this quadrilateral name is, now students, this is the quadrilateral and you can see this is a square. This quadrilateral is a square. I join this point and this quadrilateral is a square. You can measure it. This is 7.1 centimeter. This is also equal to 7.1 centimeter and 7.1 centimeter. This is a square. Now we have to give the name of this quadrilateral is square. Part number 4, construct the angle bisector of BAC such that it cuts the circle at A and at another point S. Measure and write down the length of DS. And now where it cuts the this angle bisector is the point S, and we have to measure its length from D. Now we make the angle bisector of A. Where it's cut, this is the angle bisector. Now students, this is the angle bisector and it cuts the circle at point S. Now we have to measure the DS. And to measure it, first we have to draw the line DS. Then we measure that line. This is DS and this is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Now students, in part number 3, the DS, and this is part number 3 and this is part number 4. In part number 4, DS is equal to, this is DS is equal to 9.3 centimeter. And now students, this question is solved and this chapter is finished. All questions of this exercise are available on my channel. You can watch these questions, and thank you very much for watching my videos. And playlist of this chapter is available in the description, and you can watch uh, any question from that playlist. And again, thank you very much for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.